Think positive, live positive. Transform your mindset for success. By Jack Cater. Ever catch yourself daydreaming about that promotion, picturing yourself confidently delivering a presentation, or imagining the satisfaction of reaching a long-term goal? Guess what? You're already tapping into a powerful tool that ancient thinkers and cutting-edge scientists both recognize: visualization. It's more than just wishful thinking. It's about using your mind's incredible ability to shape your reality, starting from the inside out. Think of your brain like a superhighway system. The more you travel down a certain road, a thought, or image, the stronger and more familiar that route becomes. Visualization is like intentionally building new, positive highways in your brain, pathways that lead towards your goals and the positive feelings associated with them. Now, here's where the science gets really interesting. Our brains are wired in a way that the same areas light up whether we're actually doing something or vividly imagining doing it. This isn't just some airy-fairy concept. Neuroscience shows that repeated positive mental imagery actually helps create and strengthen neural pathways, those brain connections that align with our desired outcomes. It's like your brain is practicing for success, even before it happens in real life. This amazing ability of our brain to rewire itself based on our experiences, called neuroplasticity, is key here. Studies have shown that when people visualize actions, like a pianist practicing a piece in their mind or an athlete imagining the perfect shot, their brain's movement centers activate just as if they were physically doing it. This mental rehearsal strengthens those pathways, making the real action feel more natural and achievable. And when we vividly picture our aspirations, the brain regions responsible for planning, goal setting, and even our emotions become more engaged, making those goals feel more real and motivating. Even our emotional center, the limbic system, gets involved when we visualize success. This allows us to connect emotionally with our envisioned achievements, making them feel more tangible and driving us forward with greater enthusiasm. For us self-improvement enthusiasts, understanding this science is like having the secret code to unlocking our potential. When we clearly and positively picture our goals, we're not just dreaming. We are creating a mental blueprint for success, preparing ourselves to navigate challenges with greater confidence. This is a technique mastered by top performers in various fields, most notably athletes. They don't just idly dream of victory. They strategically use visualization as a potent trading tool, crafting detailed mental blueprints of success that go beyond simply imagining victory. This mental rehearsal involves actively engaging multiple senses and focusing on the specific nuances of their performance. The Basketball Player's Mental Handbook. Consider a basketball player, perhaps a high-pressure free throw shooter. Their visualization might extend beyond the swish of the net to include the feel of the ball's texture, the precise angle of their wrist, the focused gaze on the hoop, and even the rhythmic sound of their breathing. For some, the intensity of the crowd might be a factor they mentally navigate, visualizing staying calm and focused amidst the noise. Studies in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology consistently demonstrate the significant performance improvements associated with such detailed mental practice. Michael Phelps, Mastering the Mental Game. Take Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian. His meticulous mental videotapes encompassed every facet of his races: the crisp sound of the starting gun, the feel of his body entering the water, the precise rhythm of his dolphin kick, the visual cues of the lane markers, and the powerful surge towards the finish. Critically, Phelps also visualized overcoming potential disruptions, the feel of his goggles filling with water in Beijing, for instance. This proactive mental preparation, considering potential environmental factors and his emotional response, was key to his unwavering focus under pressure. Breaking down these elements into shorter, vivid segments not only supports the brain's natural retention, but also makes the technique feel more accessible to us.